Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm recording my holiday candy buffet or holiday candy bar. So I've already started putting some things together, so let's finish this up. Most of the stuff that I have, or the glassware, is thrifted. For example, this truffle dish is thrifted from Goodwill. I think that was like $3. And this was also thrifted. And the truffle dish has mints in it, the chocolate dollars, chocolate money, and some, let's see, Ferrero Rochers on top. Excuse me guys, but allergies are kicking in. This is a huge Ferrero Rocher chocolate that I got from Dollar General. Isn't that cute? This is some Lindt white chocolate, and the dish container was also thrifted. I'm going to put some Hershey's chocolates right here. Milk chocolate caramel. And I have some Hershey's almonds in the bowl over there, and some Rolos, which are the chocolate caramel there. This candle holder was thrifted from Goodwill. This was $2, and I just got that a couple of days ago. And it was turned upside down. I didn't know what it was until I, flipped it up, and I said, I think that's a candle holder. I put some Christmas ornaments on it. Excuse me, guys. Let me stand back and see how that looks. I think I like it. So again, this is my holiday candy buffet or holiday candy bar. I put some bulbs around, some leftover Christmas bulbs I just scattered around. And the wreath is from my Goodwill, $5 Goodwill challenge that I did a couple weeks ago. I have some Reese's in this dish. So for this holiday candy buffet, candy bar, these dishes came from the Dollar Tree. And so that's my holiday candy buffet. I like it. I think I like it the way it is, but let me step back and have a look at it again. And I'll see if there's anything that I'd like to change, but so far I'm liking the way this looks. The 2 gold trees with the star are leftover holiday decorations from years gone by. I think I'm liking how this looks. This is on a stand we have in the living room, the formal living room. As you remember, we have no furniture in here right now, so this little stand is always in the corner. And I said, where can I put my holiday candy bar? So I thought I'd just bring it here. And I thought about doing this, and it's really funny because we had our little great nieces over for Thanksgiving. And one of them, she's 5, and she was tearing up those brownies. We had a dessert bar, and she was tearing up those brownies. And I had some grapes out. She was tearing up brownies and grapes, and I can imagine what she would have done if we had a candy bar out. Her parents would have hated us, boy, I tell you. So I decided to change out the Christmas trees, and I don't really change them out, but move them around. And I added 2 white deer that I had, and I think they look nice there. So the Christmas trees are still in there, but I added 2 white deer. So now this is my final holiday candy buffet, or candy bar. I think it turned out nice. I really like the results, and I hope you do too. So once again, guys, thank you for riding with me. I appreciate you so much. I hope you're enjoying all of these great videos that are out there. I mean, there's so many collabs and so many tips for how to do your holiday tables, mantles, porches. So I hope you're taking away some great tips from the other YouTubers that are out there, because I know I have seen some great stuff and some awesome ideas. So thanks again for riding with me, guys. I sincerely appreciate your support. And I will see you all in my next production.